My baby, my Valentine, yeah. Oh, just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us, you and I. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do these chord progressions that are really simple to play, okay? And we got them from very popular songs. And I know some songs that I've come across also have these progressions in them. And these are going to help after this lesson. You'll be able to play these songs, okay? And as always, I'll do it in D minor, which is a relative of F major, okay? And that's because we are doing key of F mostly on this channel. And while at it, we will be trying to use the tonic solfege so that if you are using other keys to learn the chords, you can also play along, okay? So yeah, so let's get in. Okay, so for the left, we start by playing Fa and Do, which is B flat and F. Okay, and then for the right, we play B flat, D, and F. Okay, these are chords you're probably familiar with. Okay, so this is the first one we are doing. And let me say it in tonic solfa. It's Fa, La, and Do. Okay. And then the next chord would be A and E. Okay, A and E, which is Mi and T. Okay, for the left. And then for the right, it's Re, Mi, Z, and T. Okay, which is G, A, C sharp, and E. Okay, so let's play the two together, which is, okay, let's try one more time. And then we go to the next one, which is D and F for the left, which is La and Do. Okay, and for the right, it's A, C, D, and F, which is Mi, and So, La, and Do. Okay, so this is it. Let's play it one more time. So let's start and play all the three. Okay. Okay. Okay, so these are the ones, but there is one chord that we are going to put in between these three progressions, okay? And that chord has been covered in my previous videos, but we're still going to go through it again. So the left will be C and G, which is So and Re, okay? This is it. And then for the right, it's Fa, La, To, and Re. So this, which is B flat, D, E flat, and G. Okay, so this is it. If you put all the two together, okay. So this one, let's try one more time. And then we transition it to F. Okay, so the first one is, and the next one is this, which is FF, Do, Do, to Mi, La, To, and Re, which is A, D, E flat, and G. Okay. Okay. So the first one is, Okay, and this is the second one. So let's put this one there. Let's combine the two again. Okay, so let's start all over. My baby, my Valentine, yeah. Then you come to that chord. Okay. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. You and I. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. You and I. Okay, so these are the chords that I decided to, let us go through today. I hope these ones helped. Before we end this video, I want us to play it one more time. We are going to play everything we've done together. If you have your keyboard with you, as usual, let's go through it again. Before we play the last one, please, so far, the people who have been watching, those of you who have been watching, I think the majority have not subscribed to this channel. Please subscribe and like the videos and share. Okay, that will go a very long way to help this channel. Thank you so much. Now let's go on the last one, yeah, for the last time, yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.